Hey there, this is Susan Frew and William Frew from Sunshine Home Services, and welcome to our channel. Thank you for another episode for watching. Please subscribe and like so you can keep up on all the great things that we're going to share with you today. Today, we're going to talk about something that we find to be really annoying. One, because it makes your water bill go way up, and number two, because the sound is irritating, and that is the sound of a running toilet. So stay tuned. William's going to give you all kinds of tips and tricks for you to diagnose your own toilet problem.
So I'm William Frew with Sunshine Home Services. I want to tell you a little bit about that really annoying leaky toilet that you have in the house. If you got that toilet that is mysteriously flushing in the middle of the night, well, here's what you're going to do. When we come out to our toilet, take the lid off. Do not place it on the toilet because you will knock it over and it will break. Set that baby on the floor so you don't have any more future accidents. So what I like to do here is I like to take some blue dye tablets, which I already did. There you go. You can see some of these here, or you could just use standard food coloring, and that works really well as well. We've already put some blue dye inside of here, and nothing is coming blue out of the toilet. So that tells me our toilet is doing pretty good. So let me show you inside of the toilet. So some of the things that you want to look for, this is your fill valve. This is your flush valve. And this right here is your flapper valve. So one of the things that we want to look for, we want to make sure that the water level stops 1 inch below the overflow. If it's all the way up to the top, then you're going to want to adjust it by using this screw right here, and this just lowers the float so it gets to a lower level. If we're going to replace the flapper is real easy to do. There's just 2 little clips on it. Reach in here, just grab these flappers here. And you can see this rim here. We want to make sure that we have nothing on this rim. We're going to go ahead and put the old flapper back in, because we know it's still working pretty well. Throw that in there, and that's going to be our flapper. So when you pull it up, it flushes everything down. These are the basic components of a toilet, and
we're Susan and William Frew with Sunshine Home Services,
where the sun is always shining.